In Louisiana, where the air is warm and the jokes are louder than the mosquitoes, Zed O is putting on a show.
Welcome to the Zed O Show.
He jumps high. He spins. He points at the sky like he invented gravity.
You said that yesterday.
It's still the show.
Chuck adjusts his glasses like he's about to calculate the wind speed.
Technically, every jump increases.
Don't calculate me.
Delmont nods calmly. Delmont always nods calmly.
He good.
Zed O grins.
Watch this. New move.
Please don't name it.
The hurricane handshake.
He jumps. He spins. He commits. He does not calculate. He lands, confidently, in someone's clean laundry.
I meant to do that.
A sock hangs from his ear like it's judging him.
Laundry. 0.
Soft landing, though.
Zed O laughs, but his smile is a little tight. The crowd begins to gather, curious neighbors peeking over fences and through windows. What's going on here? Zed O's at it again. Zed O waves to the growing audience, soaking in the attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show must go on.
He attempts another leap, this time with a twist. He lands near the fence.
Careful, Zed. There's not enough room.
Room is for the restrained.
He soars again, adding a daring somersault, his limbs flailing excitedly.
If we adjust his trajectory, he could clear the fence next time.
Just watch and enjoy, Brother Chuck.
A small dog from a neighboring yard barks excitedly, joining in the spectacle.
Even the dogs want front row seats.
All right, time for the grand finale.
Zed O prepares for a final act, focusing intensely. He bounces high, spins faster, launching himself into the air with everything he's got. The crowd gasps as he twists and turns, creating a blur of motion against the warm afternoon sky.
For you, my audience, the Louisiana legend.
He lands triumphantly, skidding slightly, but manages to stay upright to deafening cheers. Didn't think it was possible. A true showman. Zed O takes a deep bow, wiping sweat from his brow as he laughs heartily.
And that, folks, concludes my masterpiece.
Later that evening, the neighborhood buzzes with chatter about Zed O's performance. He's got the spirit of a performer, all right. Hope he doesn't start jumping over cars next. Zed O, basking in the glow of his accomplishments, strolls down the street, nodding to neighbors.
Evening. Did I give you a good show today?
The best one yet, Zed. Keep it up, but maybe avoid the laundry next time. He laughs, not disagreeing, enjoying the camaraderie of the moment.
Always room for improvement, wouldn't you say?
With that, Zed O continues his peaceful walk, the applause of the afternoon still echoing in his ears.